Hey everybody, I'm so excited. I just got the most amazing parcel and it's from Moyoko. It is their new Magnitude Blow Dry Brush. I'm a fine hair girly and I love a bit of volume. This is what it looks like. We're gonna plug her in. So before we get started with putting any heat on our hair, we need to make sure that we're protecting our ends. That is how you can make sure you don't have dry ends and you're able to grow those locks long. So today I'm trying out the Micro Keratin Magic Mist Bonding Protector. So let's go with my Magnitude Blow Brush and see how much volume we can put in this hair.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day.
And guys, this is the final product. I'm feeling so good. My hair looks so gorgeous. So girls, you don't have to be a fancy stylist. You can do your own hair at home and walk out the door feeling like $1,000,000. So ready for my lunch date.